Okay, students, now we are going to learn our next topic, that is the sorting the data. Okay, what is the meaning of sorting? I hope all of you learned that word. Sorting means arrange the numbers. In mathematics already we learn about the sorting. If we arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order, then we use the sorting. Actually we tell that we are doing the order, we arrange the numbers in the order, but that actually name is the sorting. Okay, so here also we are doing that, we are arrange the data in the ascending or descending order. So what is this, what is the sorting data? It allows you to arrange or reorder the data. Means if you want to arrange the data, if you want to ups or down, if you want to arrange the ascending order data, if you want to arrange in descending order data, then you can use this. Like that, as I say, it arrange the data in the ascending or the descending order, and it's make too easy to analyze the data. If the data is arranged in the ascending or descending order, then you can easily find the data. आप बहुत easily data अपना find कर सकते हो, right? So this is the way how to sort the data. Simply we take one example for that. I already made one table for the sorting the data. Okay, first of all I have to increase the size of the text. Okay, so here I am writing sorting the data. Okay, so first of all what we have to do to sort the data? First you have to make the table or to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. As you see here, there is a marks given for the subjects name, subjects English, Hindi, Maths, and the SS, and total is the 100. These all the marks are given from the 100. So now we are going to do the sorting. Okay, first of all what you have to do, if you arrange the data in if you want to arrange the data, if you want to sorting the data, then first of all you have to be compulsory select the data. If you don't select the data, then you are not able to do any of the operation. So first of all you have to be select the data as I selected. Then you have to go to data option. You can see that tools and windows, in between tools and window there is a one option, that is the data. When I click on this, the third option will be sort, SORT. When I click on this, you can see there are three options for you. Sort by means firstly which option you want to sort. You can see that there are four options: name, English, Hindi, Maths, SS. Which one you want to sort? Here you can also see the, for example you want to sort the name, then you can easily arrange the data in the ascending order. There are options also given that ascending or descending. If you want to arrange the data in descending, you can select the descending. When I click on OK, then you can see first of all Radha and Rakesh is above and Neha is the below. Look, Rohan is the second, Rakesh, Radha, and last one is the Neha. So again I am doing the data sort, name, ascending. So you can change the data, you can see that. Okay, if you want to do another sorting, for example you don't want to sorting only for name, you want to also do the sorting for the Hindi column, then what you have to do, data sort, already name ascending. Now I go to Hindi and I have to be arrange them descending. So what happened, when I click on this, you can see they all are arranged in the descending. I think they are not, but because of this they are not arranged descending, just because firstly we select this one, that's why it will not be happen. For example, again I am selecting the table, then data sort, I am first selecting the another one. For example, I am selecting the maths and I click OK. Then you can also change, there will be certain change. First it will be arrange the maths, then it will be arrange Hindi. मीन्स जैसे जैसे आएगा देन बाय सेकेंडली ऑप्शन रहेगा, जो फर्स्ट आपने लिखा है शॉर्टिंग के अंदर सबसे पहले वो उसको ही अरेंज करेगा, फिर वो सेकंड ऑप्शन देखेगा कि उसको कैसे अरेंज करना. अगर आप थर्ड ऑप्शन ले रहे हो, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर टेकिंग द इंग्लिश वन and you want to arrange it in the descending, then it will be changed, but firstly it will be arrange the maths. Okay, you can see firstly maths will be arranged in the ascending order. So this is the sorting the data, means you can arrange the data in the ascending or descending order. So here I have to be end my session, and in the next video we learn about the filtered data. Thank you.